Do you have something that you've always wanted to do, but you keep putting it on the back burner? Maybe you've wanted to write a book, or you wanted to write poetry. Maybe you've wanted to pull out your watercolors and start painting again. Maybe you've wanted to start a new career or a new business. Maybe you've just wanted to finally clear out that junk drawer or that junk room. Even if you're still working from home at this time, you've probably got some extra time. You're not commuting anymore, right? You're not going to get your hair cut or get your nails done. You've got some extra time. You could use it to troll on Facebook or binge watch on Netflix. But if you use it to do something that you've got on your back burner, trust me, you'll feel great about yourself. Ask yourself, what have I been putting on the back burner? To get whatever it is on the front burner, you need to schedule time for it, preferably during the day. Block out time where that back burner project is your sole focus. You don't have to devote huge chunks of time unless that works for you. Even as little as 15 minutes a day will get you starting to go forward. Here are some back burner ideas and suggestions that may help you. Clean it out. Most of us have at least one space in our homes that makes us cringe, right? It's a drawer or a closet or even a whole room. It could be that box of family photos or your really old tax returns. If it's something you've really avoided cleaning out, schedule a small block of time. Say just 15 minutes. We can stand to do just about anything for 15 minutes, right? You might find that you want to even keep on going at the end of the 15 minutes. But if not, just schedule another 15 minutes for the next day. Keep visualizing how great that space will look when you're done. What else can we do? Start exercising. Most of us know how important it is to exercise, but many people talk about exercising rather than actually doing it. In the busyness of life, you may have felt like you just didn't have the time. Well, guess what? Now you do. Schedule in a block of time every day. Again, maybe just starting with 15 minutes. You can do something as simple as march around the house or jog in place. Even better, you can find thousands of free online exercise routines that you can follow. A friend of mine who takes Tai Chi says school is now holding virtual classes online. My best friend Raquel is doing yoga sessions via Zoom. In fact, I've set up something with certified instructors from my community who are doing free virtual online classes every single day, and it's free to everyone. Classes are in the morning and they're at night, and it has been just wonderful. To learn more about that, just go to my Facebook community page, East County Fun, and I'll be excited to see you there. And hey, it's open to everyone, so invite anyone you want. Find something you like and make a commitment to do it every single day. What else can we do? Write it. I know so many people talk about writing a book or a play, or who want to write song lyrics or poetry. Maybe you've thought about starting a blog. Whatever it is, schedule a block of time each day when you won't be interrupted and just do it. My professional writer friend coaches people to start out by writing ugly, meaning don't be perfect. Just get the ideas out of your head and on paper. Then step back and see how those ideas might all come together in that song or book or a blog that you've always wanted to write. And guess what? It's a great time right now to start a new career or business. And I know that might seem impossible right now with the economy the way it is, and it might seem crazy, but now is the perfect time to do all the groundwork and preparation for your new career or business. Get whatever credentialing you need for that new venture. Find a coach or a mentor who specializes in what you want to learn and get good at it, and then go for it. Lots of schools are offering online courses. Start researching supply options or marketing strategies. Start building your client or customer base. Again, schedule in specific blocks of times for this daily, and you may even have a new business or career idea that is perfect for these times, especially if it's online. If so, focus on getting your business ideas launched. Your back burner might be different than the ones that I've mentioned. Whatever it is, now is the perfect time to bring it into focus by scheduling time for it. And do me a favor, please feel free to share your back burner successes with me so I can share them with the group. Just hashtag Krista Mashore Coaching so I can see all your excellent ideas.